Brother Vigilant serves as a Black Shield of the Death Watch during the 41st millennium. An Astartes chaplain of unknown origins, the Space Marine known only as Brother Vigilant is shrouded in mystery. Arriving at Watch Fortress Arioch within the Jericho Reach during 812.M41, his traversal using a damaged courier vessel owned by the Ordo Xenos Inquisitor, Arin Serrano, drew intense scrutiny from the Chamber Militant. Said to have departed into the void a month prior to Vigilant's arrival, the classified mission and subsequent voyage had caused the ship's crew to die of radiation sickness, with the Inquisitor nowhere to be found. Within the stasis hold of the craft, a lone Space Marine lay induced in a coma, clad in warplate of purest black, clutching a war-battered mark of office of the Reclusium, a Crozius Arcanum. Taken to the Watch Fortress's Apothecarion to be woken from his slumber, the enigmatic chaplain would request Watch Commander Mordegale to meet with him and the War Council, known as the Chamber of Vigilance. For 3 days the chaplain explained his circumstance to the Master of the Vigil, his fate at the mercy of the seconded Blood Angel. None know the content of their meeting, yet with its conclusion and involvement of the Inquisitor of the Chamber, the surreptitious chaplain would undertake the Apocyphon Oath and join the ranks of Watch Fortress Arioch forevermore. Dubbed simply as Brother Vigilant, the chaplain spent the next 3 solar years in intense study of the Death Watch's customs and rituals. Wielding his scarred Crozius in battle alongside his brethren, Brother Vigilant now serves within Watch Station Andronicus as his kill teams repel the Tau expansionists from Imperial space. His former life, little more than an abandoned memory, the inscrutable chaplain's service to the Chamber Militant of the Ordo Xenos shall end only with his death.